Welcome my dear students. Today I am going to teach you natural vegetation of India class 6 ICSE board. First students, before I starting this chapter, I would like to say that introduction. Among the most valuable resources of India, its magnificent forest play a very important and significant role in the climate as well as economy development of India. Forests are Forests are our renewable resources. You know there are two types of resources. One is renewable resources, another is non-renewable resources. Renewable resources, you know, forests are renewable resources and help in maintaining ecological balance, reduce pollution, maintain humidity, purify air, and are source of timber, fruits, flowers, and fuel. The forest prevents soil erosion, provide inhabit to variety of wild animals, birds, and insects. Students, according to State Forest Report 2013, according to your book, the forest cover of country 69.09 million hectare. That means 22% out of 100 geographical area of our country. But the National Forest Police, according to National Forest Police, has laid down a target of raising the area for 33%. 33% National Forest Policy. But in our country, according to 2013, according to your book, ICSE book, it is written 22%. However, the students, the destruction of forest has led to the extermination of wildlife in our country. First, students, the environmental factor affecting the natural vegetation. Two types of the environmental factor affecting a natural vegetation. First is variation in the amount of rainfall. Second is variation in relief. Rainfall means some areas receive heavy rainfall, some areas do not receive at all, some areas receive moderate. And relief means some areas high mountain, some areas low mountain, some areas plain, some areas desert area, some areas semi-desert. That is called relief. There are two types factor affecting natural vegetation. You have to keep in your mind that two types of environment factors affecting natural vegetation. First is variation in amount of rainfall, second is variation in relief. First, students, the environmental factors affecting natural vegetation. First, the environmental factor affecting natural vegetation in India, students, the environmental factors affecting natural vegetation two types. One is forest based on variation on rainfall. Second is forest based on variation in relief. First, students, forest based on variation rainfall four types, and forest based on variation of relief two types. That means 6 types of natural vegetation are found in India. First, tropical evergreen forest. Second is deciduous monsoon forest. Third is desert and semi-desert vegetation. Fourth is thorn and scrub forest. And forest based on variation of relief according to rainfall, according to relief. According to relief, mountain forest and mangrove and tidal forest. First, let's start tropical evergreen forest. Tropical evergreen forest means tropical rainforest is the name indicator found where the annual temperature 25 to 27 degree and the more than 200 centimeter rainfall. Basic area, this tropical evergreen forest, this Basically this forest, it is found Western Ghat and some part of northeastern area. This area we are finding such type of tropical evergreen forests. Western Ghats, some part of that's also students. These types of forest, as they are found in the area heavy rainfall. This type of heavy rainfall because of we already I have told you that two types of monsoon. One is northeast monsoon, another is southwest monsoon. Southwest monsoon, students, when there is Western Ghats, this side is Western Ghats. When southwest monsoon originate Arabian Sea, when intercept southwest mountain, during that time orographic rainfall is occur here. So there it is called tropical evergreen forest, otherwise known as rainforest. Tropical evergreen forest, otherwise known as rainforest. This area and this area, northeastern area, Meghalaya, Assam, Mizoram, Nagaland, this area. The thick ground cover the forest is characterized climbers, and they do not shed their leaves. These forests, they do not shed their leaves at the same time. They remain evergreen and are called tropical evergreen forests. This forest always evergreen, so that this is called tropical evergreen forest. Students, you know that. Do you know evergreen forests have not been properly exploited? Do you know that? Due to dense, because this area is very dense forest, so that this area does not allow to properly exploit spices, rosewood, sesame, gurjan, and also some bamboo, jammu, cane. This type of forest are found there. Basically, rosewoods, these are hard and fine granite and durable. This rosewood trees are durable and strong. Expensive because they are used for making expensive rosewood. They are used for making expensive furniture. They are found in parts of Kerala, and also Tamil Nadu and Karnataka. Some part of Karnataka, western side and Western Ghat. First is tropical evergreen forest. Second is, student, deciduous monsoon forest. Deciduous forests are found. The deciduous forests are found 24 degrees Celsius to 24 degrees Celsius to 27 degrees Celsius temperature, and these forests occur area average rainfall between 150 to 200 centimeters. But on the other hand, tropical evergreen forest more than 200 centimeters. But deciduous monsoon forest to 150 to 200 centimeters. Temperature 24 to 27 degree. Area deciduous forests are found in the belt of running. Belt of running along the Western Ghat. Surrounding the belt of evergreen forest. These types of evergreen forest. This color, deciduous monsoon forest. Deciduous forests are found the belt of running along the Western Ghats, surrounding the belt of evergreen forest. Those forests are found in following the state: Bihar, UP, Odisha, Madhya Pradesh, Manipur, Tripura, Mizoram, Assam, and parts of Andaman and Nicobar Island. Characteristics. These forests shed their leaves for about 6 to 8 weeks during the spring, more than 2 months. 2 months shed their trees during the spring, during the time of spring. Also, they are this very important. These are most important economically valuable timber. Several other forest product. These forests found here also very important for economically, because this forest would have too much demand than other forests. Third, species. Species: teak, sal, sandalwood, teak, sal, sandalwood, mahogany. Such type of forests are found there.